Namaste, Soul Tribe, spiritual healer. I'm back, guys, to give you guys a message. Hi, Aries. I love you guys. My beautiful Aries. I didn't forget about you, Aries. I just figured I would do a late night energy reading for you guys since I never read at night and it's more relaxing for me at night because during the day I'm just rushing around trying to do everything. So, right now, my energy is so relaxed. Okay, Aries, and I got some channel messages for you guys, my beautiful queens and kings. Okay, so I have a lot of messages for you guys, actually, all of this. So, Aries, somebody's driving past your house. Aries, throwing black magic towards your house. Oh my God. Yes, I got these channel messages earlier, Aries, and I wrote them down because I was doing private readings today. So, yeah, I got these messages earlier, like I said, and I knew I was gonna come do a late night reading, okay? Because this was important and I couldn't put it off because somebody's driving past your house throwing black magic. Okay, you might catch this person driving past your house. This person could be a family member, Aries. This person could be an ex. This person could be a karmic person. This could be someone that you left behind and now they're obsessed with you. Now they're stalking you. Now they're driving past your house throwing black magic. Yo, Aries, for anybody that feels like there's family members or karmic people that you cut off, or just these fake folks that want to be enemies because you guys are chosen and they're like freaking Agent Smiths. They're like freaking demons. They're over here gang stalking you, harassing you. They could be messing with your car. They could be trying to slash your car tires. They could be trying to mess with your homes. Listen, throwing black magic in your yard. So if you find any suspicious bags or anything weird around your property, that could be black magic. So don't touch it with your hands. Wear gloves if you're gonna remove it. And then what you're gonna have to do is literally sage your house. You're gonna have to mop your floors with Florida water, cleanse your windows with Florida water, put a protection seal over your homes. This family member or this karmic or this ex, they don't wanna let go. They don't wanna lose. They wanna continue to do these things until it really kills them. Because the reason why I say it's gonna kill them is because the next message I heard was sudden death. So someone that's been throwing magic at you the most, this could be more than one person. I feel like there's several people. One or more of these people, they're gonna have a sudden death. They're gonna lose their minds. They're gonna freaking be haunted by these demons. This could be an older male. This could be a father figure. This could be an uncle. This could be an older male that you left behind, male or female. This could be an older male doing this. Okay, and someone that was tampering with your money, someone that was stopping your money from coming, Aries, that was holding your inheritance or your trust fund, someone that was holding back your money. It could be in court. These people were involved in white collar crimes. These people are involved in money laundering. These people been um, signing, falsifying documents. Oh my God, Aries. There's a karmic female here that's losing her mind. Oh my God. Or this karmic female in your life, Aries, that did a lot of black magic towards you. She could be overdosing on drugs. Oh my God. That's why I said more than one person could be, passing away. There's this investigator, Aries. There's an investigator that's been watching you, following you, right? But let me tell you something about this. Investigators like falling in love with you, or they're obsessed with you, or they want to help you out because this investigator is going to communicate with you about some information. Wow. Yep, and they're going to ask you to make a statement in court, Aries. Justice is coming swiftly. Karma's coming swiftly for these people. Judgment is upon these people that tamper with your money, that tamper with your life. Wow. I didn't even. Wow. Okay, Aries, let's get into your message. I be trying to give you guys a positive message, but you guys are really going through this, okay? I can't make up this message. I can't give you something good if I'm getting that these people are still trying to throw magic at you. These people are still doing magic on the full moon. These people are so envious and jealous. They're going to try to slander your business. They're going to try to call you names. They're going to try to bring up your past. They're going to do the most. They're over here. They're mad as hell, Aries, because you turned away. And you said, I don't got time to argue with you. Okay? All that bullshit's for the birds. You ain't nothing but a vulture. Always hoping for the worst. Waiting for me to fuck up. Yo, you'll regret the day when I find another. Listen, you guys are calling the deuces on these folks. You guys are chucking up your deuces. And these people are all fighting in conflict because you removed yourself, because you're doing your own thing, because you know they're about to get their karma, because you know what they've been doing. And now you're raising your... For the Aries that I've been talking to, you guys, I'm proud of you guys. For all the Aries that got readings from me and took my advice and started to do the right thing, Aries, your family's in conflict because you got the message, you got the truth, you started doing the meditations I sent you, and now your vibration is higher, higher and higher. Yes, it's higher and higher, and you guys are attracting this King of Pentacles coming towards you with an offer, Aries. There's always this King of Pentacles or this King of... There's like always a King of Pentacles or a King of Cups in your reading, Aries. I can't make it up. There's this person. Let's see what this person's all about, Aries. Thank you, Spirit, guides, and angels. Give me the messages for my beautiful Aries watching this video. I love you guys, my beautiful Aries. Okay, Aries. So, look, you're going to find out about the sneaky person, my loves, okay? Because there might have been a King of Pentacles that could have been tampering with your money. This could have been a father figure. This could have been a boss. This could have been a court system, a judge, a lawyer, a crooked judge, a crooked lawyer. This lawyer tried to steal your settlement, your money, your lawsuit, your inheritance. This lawyer was in cahoots for your family members, Aries. Can't make it up. Look, you're getting communication about your money. You're getting a payout. You're getting justice. You're going to hear this information and it's going to make you... Like, it's really going to put you in a place where you're going to be, like, shocked when you find out all the people that was involved, all the people that was doing you dirty, that they was in cahoots working together to stop your blessing. You're going to find out about all these sneaky folks. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Thank you, Spirit guides and angels. I love you guys, Aries. I hope you're enjoying this late night energy reading. You know, because I've been thinking about you guys all day. I'm always thinking about you guys because I'm like all day long I'm doing personal readings for Aries, okay? Because a lot of Aries are reaching out for personal readings. So all day I'm thinking about you guys going through all this energy, and it's just amazing, guys, the transformation you guys are having. It's amazing the way you have changed your lives and transformed. It is amazing how you are getting this chariot energy coming to you and all these freaking options, because the world is your oyster. The world is yours. Yes, the world is yours, and you have all these new opportunities coming towards you because you're moving forward with this chariot energy fast. And this is a Cancer energy, okay? Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio energy. Yes, there goes the Knight of Cups coming in with an offer. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. Can't make it up. This could have been the sneaky one. This could have been the one that had to change, okay? Or this could be a new person because there's a King of Pentacles, okay? So if the King of Pentacles was the sneaky one, then the Nine of Cups is the new person or the past life soulmate coming in, okay? This person could be... This sneaky person could be like the karmic trying to come back into your life, but you're not having it, Aries, because you are not having it. You could be in the Queen of Swords, King of Swords energy. If there's any karmic coming in your life, you're going to cut them off at the door. You are not having it. You are not. You're determined and you're focused, and you know about energy, so you can feel people's vibrations. You know these people had no good intentions. Keep them out of your life, Aries. This King of Swords, this Libra energy, this been doing the most in your life, okay? Trying to sabotage you guys. And there you go. You could be dealing with somebody with the letter B or J in their first or last name. These two people could have been doing you dirty. These people could have been sabotaging you. Or one of these people is your soulmate and one of these people is your karmic. I don't know. Take the message how it resonates. But you have information. You have truth and knowledge and wisdom about this King of Swords, this Libra energy, or this... You know, this could be any air sign. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. I'm getting Libra, but this could be any air sign that you've been dealing with that's been a narcissist, that's been doing the most behind your back, throwing magic, speaking bad about you, trying to plot and plan on stealing your ideas, copying you, just trying to slander you. But you became the High Priestess, and this King of Swords, they don't even stand a chance. So whatever they've been doing, it's not even going to work. They wanted you to be out in the cold, throwing magic at your house so you could lose your house. But what's really going to happen is you're going to gain prosperity and you're going to move and get a new house because that's what you've been wanting to do anyways. And that's what they're going to get is just karma because it's going to backfire. Okay? So keep standing your ground, my beautiful Aries. Keep standing your ground with these people, okay? You don't got time for them. You don't got time for all the drama, guys. Okay, spirits, give me the messages for the Aries with this deck. Give me some more messages for my beautiful Aries watching this video. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, angels. Mm. Yep. Increasing your psychic gifts. I know this is spelled wrong, but this is how I spell it. It's hard for me to spell it the other way with a P, so that's how I spell it. So don't judge me, Aries. You know what I'm trying to say. You guys got psychic gifts. Okay? Important information coming out to the light, like I said. Wow, you guys are spiritually healing beautifully. Okay? So somebody misses cooking for you, or they miss your cooking, Aries, and somebody's coming with gifts. Somebody's gonna try to come and bombard you with gifts. Don't lose your faith, Aries. Okay? Because somebody that you walked away from, they have a bisexual secret. So don't take this person back if they're coming towards you with gifts. Don't trust this person, Aries. Don't let them fool you, okay? Because you already know about this person in your life that is secretly gay and they don't want to tell you, and they keep trying to string you along to use you as a cover-up wife or husband. They're using you as a cover-up or whatever. I don't know. They want to have threesome. This person is just not good, Aries. Move away and think positive, because you're going to have a better outcome like that, guys. So you have a new soulmate. You have a real soulmate coming, but you have this freaking narcissist, this ex from the past that won't leave you the fuck alone, that won't stop trying to come in. Even these ex karmic family members and friends that you walked away from, they're still going to try to come in. These devils are relentless. They want to get their hooks back inside of you, Aries, but you're not having that. You are not. You're just moving away. Yeah, like I said, there's definitely a father involved in your situation, Aries, okay? For a lot of you. For some of you that had a father that passed away, he could have took this to the grave. He could have never told you the secrets that the family's been doing magic, that the family's been hiding your inheritance, that the family's been doing the most because they sacrificed you as a child for your spiritual gifts with these witches and warlocks. And now this father is having karma because they could be throwing black magic at your house. Be careful, Aries. You can't trust nobody. This is not for everybody. Can't make it up. Oh my God, look, guys. Father involved, paying for black magic or doing black magic is fucking backfiring, okay? Okay? Because these people could have set you up, Aries. They could have tried to call somebody to rob your house. They could have paid somebody to break into your home. This was a setup by family. Can't make it up. But you guys are survivors. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. Keep on surviving. Remember that song? That's an old song. I'm a survivor. They mad because you a survivor. They mad because you still here. They mad because you going all the way up. They don't want to see you all the way up, Aries. But who gives a shit? You're going to be all the way up regardless, because divine is in control and it's not up to them. Yep, these celebrities, there's celebrities involved in your situation, Aries, or you guys could be celebrities and you could be dealing with other celebrities. Take the message how it resonates, or you don't even know, but somewhere in your life, Aries, your family was involved with an elite, a higher up. This person could be up there with the celebrity status. These people could be witches and warlocks, or you guys are celebrities. Take the message how it resonates, please. Don't get offended if you're a celebrity and you're watching this. Just know that other message wasn't for you. You can be a celebrity watching this video, and this could be your message, okay? Or you can be not a celebrity and you be watching this video and it could resonate. There could be a celebrity involved, okay? Take the message how they resonate. Aries, you know I love you guys, and I always give you the truth, guys. I never sugarcoat. Can't make it up. That bitch better have my money. Pay me what you owe me, like blah, blah, blah. A lawyer has proof, guys, and they're going to have to pay you what they owe you. And they're going to have to compensate you more. Like for all the waiting, all the hassle, all the fucking mental conflict they put you through, all the anguish, all the trials, all the tribulations. Yep, they're going to have to increase that payment because there's enemies that were involved in stopping your blessing, Aries. This could have been a lawyer that was crooked, a freaking judge, or a lawyer that was crooked. They try to steal your inheritance or your lawsuit or your settlement, and you're getting all of it in one shot, Aries. For some people, this is both. You're getting all of it. I told you this private investigator has been watching you, but this private investigator actually has been falling in love with you, Aries, because you guys are such good people, and these family members did the most. This private investigator could be not on your side, but for some of you, this private investigator could be on your side, and they could be reaching out to you and giving you all this information you need to know about. So for each and every one of you, the situation will be different, okay? Communication coming, Aries, okay? Evidence in your favor, Aries, a win-win outcome, and God is bringing your family together from your past life. Okay, my loves? Aries, I love you guys so much. My beautiful babies, my bosses. This was just a quick energy reading for you guys to give you this channel message about somebody throwing magic. So just keep doing what you're doing, Aries. Keep healing. Keep cleansing your energies. I'll be back tomorrow again. This was just a little quick energy reading so I can give you channel messages. And I'm always going to be back here for you guys. So keep supporting my channel. Keep sharing. Keep liking. This helps my channel grow so it can reach a lot of other Aries chosen ones in the collective that need my help. Okay? So till the next time, Aries, I love you guys so much. Feel free to comment if you need a reading. I'm here to help. Till the next time, Aries, namaste.